Hello and welcome to Whiteboard Project Management. Most companies nowadays are requesting people to work from home. In this episode, I will explain to you how to make the work from home environment not affecting the project progress for you as a project manager and for other team members. Stay connected, grab your cup of coffee, prepare your white sheets, and let's hit the whiteboard to start the session. So for a reason, your company had announced to you that you need to work from home, or you have been in contact with a person due to COVID-19 epidemic and you are forced to stay at home to isolate yourself. So this could be a reason for your home office, or for a reason that the office is under construction maybe, or maybe for a reason that you has been hired for different region and you are allowed to work from home. So working from home is due to different reasons. In this episode, I will explain to you what are the best way to plan your home office, to be ready for your home office. Most of the people think that home office is that you can work from home using your pajama, or you are just laying on your couch or doing something. But let's explain the correct way how to work from your home office. Okay, you have your time to start. Before you start your work, if you work from office and you work from home, what are the differences? Let's say that you are working now in the office. You wake up in the morning, you do all the regular stuff where you have to take your shower, your breakfast, you dress up, and you go to your office. Once you reach to the office, I will say that, okay, you reach to the office at 8 and you are working from 8 till, let's say, 12. And at 13, you have here 1 hour lunch break, your lunch. And then you continue until, let's say, here you have 8, 9, 10, 11, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, and here you have 14, 15, 16, and 17. So you have here like 4 hours, and you are here like 4 hours of working, and in total you have 8 hours per day working, plus the 1 hour lunch break. So this is your regular work on office time. From 8 to 12, you have some emails, meetings, and other works. Also from 13 to 17. Now, for a reason, you have been moved to work from home. First thing, be prepared well before it comes, so you can behave properly without any delay. What does this mean? In the office, you have your phone, you have your PC, you have your, let's say, printer, you have your internet, and other. And you have your coffee. I think project managers without coffee cannot live, cannot survive. Okay, so now you move to work from home. You need your resources to be prepared, same from office to your home. So that means your progress will stay the same. There will be no effects on your progress. And you have to make the feel that you are working from home same as office. It will not be the same exactly, but it could be close to it. Okay, so you need your phone. You have a mobile phone. You have here a mobile. Okay. You need a PC. You have a laptop. Okay. PC means hardware and software. So here could be some license due to software where it could be challenged. So I will write here SW, software. Then you need an internet. Okay, nowadays everyone has internet at home. But for a reason, some people could not have internet, they don't have good internet connection, or the internet provider has been disconnected for that area or whatever. So I will write here internet. Without internet, work from home is not good. Okay? This internet now could be solved that you have even direct wire connection, or could be for you, if you don't have, you use your mobile to make a hotspot, because you can do this. Okay? Or could be provided by modem, a USB modem. USB modem is a solution as well. You need a coffee, you have a coffee. If you don't have coffee at home, you have tea. Okay, so now you need to prepare these things to be ready for you at home. How to be ready? Okay, a mobile phone, you have your mobile phone always with you. So make sure that all your contacts are in your mobile phone. Once you are at home, you can have a call. Next thing is the laptop. As a project manager, you need to have a laptop. If you don't have a laptop, means you have your personal PC. I don't prefer that you are using your personal stuff for work due to security reasons for the data you are dealing with. So make sure that your laptop is working properly and you test this laptop from your home connection. You test your software license from your home. Check that the emails, sending, receiving emails are working from phone and from your laptop. Check that your license for your special programs, if you have special programs you are dealing with, working properly. Check here that your VPN works properly and you have proper access to your shared folders in the company. This is very important to you. So before it comes that you have to go to work from home, make these things ready for you. So once it's okay, you have tested it and everything goes well. And not that in the day where you are at home, you are calling your project director, I'm sorry, my emails are not working. I cannot send emails. I'm sorry, I cannot contact to my share folder because the VPN is not working anymore. I'm sorry, this software doesn't work. I'm sorry, this hotspot, I cannot deal with it. I don't know how to do it. Make everything ready before it comes. Okay. Now you are prepared and you are ready to go and work from home. It's 8 o'clock and the same day where you are working from home. Nothing changed. You set your lunch break exactly the same time where everyone at the office takes the lunch break. You come to the office on the same time where everyone goes to the office. You leave the office normally where everyone leaves the office as well, where you are leaving the office as well. So you work in the same time for office and home all the time. Now, you wake up in the morning and don't go to the work in your pajama. Make things feel professional. Dress well, prepare yourself well, and sit in your position set in your home office. You could be working, you could have the perfect environment at home, and you could have the environment which is horrible at home. That means you could be having your own office at home, working in a very calm area. Everything is set and prepared for you. In another way, you could be living in a small apartment where you and your partner and your kids are all in the same place, and you are working, let's say, from kitchen. Okay, so you have your laptop and you are working. At that time, make sure that you have a headphone. The headphone could be a small plugs where you could put it, the home normal phone headphones. So when you are working from home, please make sure that your background is set as virtual background for you. That means you can set on Microsoft Teams, on Zoom, on Skype, or whatever other video calls, you set your video call background as company logo. This is good for you to make it more professional, because other people doesn't see what is behind you. You could be working from the kitchen because you don't have the good environment to sit like in the office, but the other person behind the camera need to see you in the professional way. So use this thing and be dressed well. So once there is any calls comes immediately, and a meeting comes urgently, you are ready, and you don't say, okay, wait 5 minutes, I will be ready. And you go and take your shirt. This is not accepted. Take your shirt like you are going to normal work and dress well so you are prepared. Set your background and start your work at 8 and behave like you are in the office. Work normally over here, these 4 hours. Preferred now working from home, that first thing to do while working from home is to set a joint call between you and other team members, just fast call or chatting room, that good morning, I'm here, I'm ready, if you have anything, contact me directly. And start taking calls, give calls to everyone, to all team members, that you are ready, what they are doing, you are doing what, and update yourself by chat rooms and by calls. The calls could be phone calls and could be video calls. Okay, so you start your day with these things and you start your work. Once you go for lunch, set your status that it's out for lunch. You go back for lunch for the same time, and you continue. Once you continue, at the end of the day here, you are updating yourself next time. So working from home, start with your calls, and by calls, this could be 10 to 15 minutes call. Okay? And work like you are working all the time. Now, most of people working from home, and they need to show that they are working, so they are copying everyone in everything. You end up with a massive number of emails in your inbox, and you are losing focus totally on what is going on. What to do in this case? When your home office takes longer than it's expected, that means it's not like for 1 week or for 2-3 days, and you need to spend more time working from home. Now you need to set different type of communication levels where you need to know who is reporting to whom, and you set your own communication plan. For this reason, I will leave it to another discussion, and it could be that you set a joint sharing folder and sharing email. Let's say a project calls ABC, and you can set an email for this like ABC home at company server.com, and you copy all your emails to this folder, to this email address, and you inform all the team member who have all access to this email, all your team member who works from home, to copy this email. So you as a project manager, you have team member, and you need to see team A with team B, what they are working together. You go to this email address and you will know what is going on between those two members. Hope that this is most covering items for the home office and makes your work more effectively from home as a project manager. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next episode.